How loud does noise have to be on an oil rig, a vessel, or a barge to start causing hearing loss to a person working around it? A lot of our potential clients will call in and say, I don't know if the equipment I worked around on the vessel, the rig, or the barge was loud enough to cause hearing loss. Well, I want to tell you some examples. I want to give you some examples here of what the decibel level will be before it will start causing hearing loss. Regular conversation is about a 45 decibel level. When you're in heavy traffic, that's about an 85 decibel level. Motorcycles, firecrackers, firearms, guns, generally that's going to be anywhere from 105 to 120 decibel level. Experts will tell you that if you're exposed to noise at about an 85 decibel level or higher for an extended period of time, that's simply as loud as sitting in heavy traffic. If you're exposed to noise at that level or higher for an extended period of time, most likely it's damaging your hearing. Call our office if you have any questions. We can arrange for a simple test for you to determine if you suffered any type of hearing loss when you may have worked on an oil rig, a vessel, or a barge.